Because, by the way, the first thing the quantum computer will allow us to do is build quantum computers, because it's going to be so much easier to simulate atom by atom construction of these new quantum gates, essentially. But in any case, to me, I think the next real thing is, now that we have the fabrication technique, let us go build that first fault-tolerant quantum computer. And that'll be the logical thing. So I would say now I can say, oh, maybe 27, 28, 29, we will be able to actually build this, right? So now that we have this one gate, can I put the thing into an integrated circuit and then actually put these integrated circuits into a real computer? That, I think, is where the next logical step is.
And what do you see as 27, 28, you've got it working? Is it like a thing you access through the API? Is it something you're using internally for your own research in materials and chemistry?
See, one thing that I've been excited about is, even in today's world, right? Because we had this quantum program, and we could say, hey, here's some APIs to it. The breakthrough we had maybe 2 years ago was to sort of think of this HPC stack and AI stack and quantum together. In fact, if you think about it, right, AI is like an emulator of the simulator. Like, quantum is like a simulator of nature. Like, what is quantum going to do? By the way, quantum is not going to replace classical, right? Quantum is great at what quantum can do, and classical will be also, because you can't, to be able to. Quantum is going to be fantastic for anything that is not data heavy, but it's got more exploration heavy in terms of the state space, right? So it should be data light, but exponential states that you want to explore. And, simulation is a great one. Chemical, physics, what have you, biology. So one of the things that we've started doing is really using AI as the emulation engine. But you can then train. So the way I think of it as, if you have AI plus quantum, maybe you'll use quantum to generate synthetic data that then gets used by AI to train better models that know how to model something like chemistry or physics or what have you. And these two things will get used together. So even today, that's kind of effectively what we're doing with the combination of HPC and AI. And I hope to replace some of the HPC pieces with quantum computers.